The just ended United Nations Climate Change Conference, popularly known as the COP27, which was held from the 6th of November to the 18th of November 2022, saw a lot of leading experts in the field of environment, United Nations agencies, climate change advocates, NGOs, and leading delegates and international figures seated around the table of discussion to dissect topical issues on the sensitive matters of climate change. Key on the agenda were issues of adaptation, financing of green projects, as well as just transition on the issues of climate change. In fact, this is one of the first African summits that has been held on the issue of climate change since the year 2016. The umbrella objectives, such as how to reduce the effects of greenhouse gas emissions, how to improve upon the building resilience of the infrastructural sector, as well as how to help us as humanity mitigate the inevitable harms of climate change so far, were scrutinized to see how far parties to the Paris Agreement had come in achieving these goals that were set, especially based on the outcome of COP26. Now, the question that begs is, what is our stance as a continent when it comes to these issues? How are we as the built environment concerned when issues of climate change arise? This is where we introduce to you the Open Construction Lab. The Open Construction Lab comes off as an online initiative that seeks to provide a platform for the beautiful marriage between climate change issues and the issues of the built environment. This is to allow for the computation of database where the carbon footprints of buildings are recorded such that we are able to provide content for construction professionals, clients, contract managers, and allied stakeholders of the built environment to be able to make use of these tools to allow for a better implementation of policies, which will allow us contribute our quota as a continent and as an industry in terms of construction to the matters of climate change. Now, the Open Construction Lab is going to help us provide an online database where we actively track the carbon footprints of buildings. Not only are we going to be concerned about issues of climate change solely, we are going to make available resources, articles, interview discussions, where everyone who is a close follower of this website is most likely going to gain so much insight as to what is going on in the built environment. Look out for issues of material investigations when it comes to the built environment. Look out for issues on how they can also contribute to this online community. You are all welcome in contributing your quota to this website, because we believe that until collectivism becomes a key aim when it comes to the various sectors, especially the built environment, our goals at the international level can never be attained. That is why we invite you all to join hands with us to contribute to this wonderful initiative, to be able to make this contribution a beautiful one to the issues of climate change.